Well, it looks beautiful out there. Lots of sunshine. Temperature is a little bit cooler near the coast. It made for a nice day on the beaches. Although we have had an air quality index issue right now. It's at 122, which is in the unhealthful range for folks who have respiratory problems. So keep that in mind. If you do have some breathing problems, it's not the best idea to be outdoors throughout the afternoon anyway, and evening. It should subside after 8 o'clock tonight. Dry through the weekend. A weak cold front comes down. Not much chance with rain with this front. We will see slightly cooler temperatures, if you will, on Sunday, but not much. And as far as the radar picture goes, nothing to show you. We still have some high fire dangers in effect across our viewing area into Highlands County, also eastern Charlotte County and East Sarasota County. And it's all a result of the lower humidity there as a result of not getting much sea breeze into eastern portions of Manatee County. Current conditions now at the Sarasota-Bradenton Airport, it's 83 degrees there, and the dew point 66. That number is a little higher due to that west to northwest wind. The pressure 30 inches, and that's been kind of holding steady, and looks like high pressure will pretty much dominate our weather over the upcoming days. So I would suspect that we're going to see another problem with that air quality index again tomorrow. The major pollutant as far as it goes is ozone. The high today above average at 90 degrees. This morning's low was comfortable at 60. Our normal low at 66. The record 94 set in 1922. No rainfall to report, and the deficit nearing 9 inches for the month, or I should say for the year. Temperatures into the upper 80s for us tomorrow, again with that little sea breeze developing. Mid 80s near the beaches and low 90s east of I-75. Future winds show dry conditions and winds lessening up somewhat tonight. In fact, becoming calm after midnight for the most part. And then we'll see that west coast breeze kick in just around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and that'll start to cool things down a little bit. It will spread inland and cool things down a little bit in the inland areas on in through the day. Now, high pressure continues to dominate the weather. It slowly sinks off to the southeast, and this frontal system gets close to us, I mentioned, on through Saturday and Sunday, just cooling us down a little bit, giving us some cloudiness. Breezy, just a little bit. Not much of an advisory anticipated for boaters now on Saturday as things have really kind of quieted down as far as the forecast models go. Some showers moving through West Virginia and now also into Ohio. And it looks as though big storms firing up now in New Mexico and West Texas tonight, where there's a tornado watch in effect for the possibility of rough weather all the way through southeast Colorado tonight. That tornado watch in effect through this evening. And temperatures much warmer out ahead of the front. You can see 88 in St. Louis. Cold, though, at least cooler in Chicago. 60 Detroit at 59, 57 in Cleveland. Temperature forecast calls for things to heat up over the southeast over the upcoming couple of days. So things will start to warm up across most of the southern plains all the way to the southeast right through the weekend as high pressure dominates the weather. Now, here's the forecast as we see it for boaters tomorrow. Not much of a wind out there. Seas will be running right around 2 feet or less. And the water temperature now 81 degrees. The beaches will see a high of 85. The upcoming tide for Sarasota Bay, high tide at 6:52, so just in a few minutes from now. Sunset at 8:05. Clear skies tonight, mild conditions, 65 for your low. And mostly sunny, warm and dry tomorrow, high 88. The extended forecast shapes up to be pretty dry right through the weekend, albeit just a little bit cooler.